Good morning followers, mga ka-driver. Biyahe po tayong Kabangkalan today at 125 kilometers distance. May titingnan ho tayong sasakyan doon. Try ho natin mag-content ng milyon ang halaga. Baka sakali pong makamit natin ang minimithing million views. Abangan. Panoorin. Stay tuned. Dami naman nun. See you Kabangkalan. Now driving. Let's go.